Hello. Welcome to MoonStone. Today we will learn how to register Internet Download Manager. Firstly, download the Internet Download Manager from the official website. Now download the IDM Register file from the link in the description below. Then install the Internet Download Manager. Now extract the IDM Register RAR file. Open the Internet Download Manager. Then run the IDM Register. Click on Register. Then register IDM now. Type your name. Done. Now restart your computer to check the registration. After restarting, open the Internet Download Manager and check the registration status. Congratulations! IDM is registered successfully. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe if you want more videos on tech solutions.